Hello students, now I'm going to continue the chapter polynomials of 9th standard. So today we're going to learn about the operations of polynomials. So the method of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomials is similar to that of the operations of algebraic expressions. So we start with the practice set 3.2. Question number 1. So use the given letters to write the answers. So we have to convert these word problems into the mathematical equations. So first one, there are 8 trees in the village lot, and if the number of trees increases every year by b, then how many trees will be there after x year? So you are given that is the number of trees in village. So there are a number of trees. So number of trees in village is a, and the trees are increasing every year by 3. So number of trees increasing each year by 3. So we ask that how many trees will be there after x years. So after x years, so each year we have to multiply by x. So we will get that is the number of trees after x years is equals to a plus bx. Now the next question, for the parade there are y students in each row and x such row are formed. So then how many students are there for the parade in all? So you are given that is the total number of rows are x. So x such rows are formed. So number of rows are x, and the number of students in each row. So you are given that is there are y students in each row. So number of students in each row is equals to y. So total students is equals to, the formula is total row into number of students in each row. So your answer is x into y, that is xy. Now see the question number 2, that is we have to take the addition of the two polynomials, the simple method. So there are actually two methods of addition, that is vertical method and the next one is horizontal method. So the method which you get very easy to solve, so you can choose this one. So I'm going to show both the methods. In exam you have to write down any one method, or you have to solve the example by any one method. So first one is the vertical method. So first we have to write down the first polynomial as it is x cube plus 2x square minus 9, and below that we have to write down the second polynomial considering the similar terms. So 5x cube you have to write down below the x cube terms. Since there is no square term, so you have to keep the space empty. After that you have to write down the number below the number, and there is no the similar term found to x, so you have to write down it at the last. And so we have to take the addition. 5 there is no 1 means there is a 1, so 5 plus 1 there is a 6, minus this 2x square as it is, plus 9 cancel with this minus 9, and plus 2x is as it is. So this is the answer. And similarly we will going to solve it by the horizontal method. So you have to take the addition. This is your first polynomial, you have to write down the plus sign, and this is your second polynomial. So you have to just write the similar terms near. So x cube and this x cube you have to write down near to the similar term. After that 2x square, then the x term, so you have to write down the terms in the descending order, minus 9 and plus 9. So both these terms will get cancelled. So this 1x plus 5, so you will get 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x is as it is. Now the third example, next example, that is minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2, and the second polynomial is 5m square minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. So you have to take the addition. I am going to choose the horizontal method. So I am just taking the addition of these two, putting the plus sign here. Now you have to write down the terms which are the similar terms nearer to each other. So minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4. After that 5m cube minus 3m cube. After that we have to write down the square term, that is plus 2m square. Then the 3m term, and then last one is the numbers. So the taking the addition or subtraction of these two, we will get here minus 2m raised to 4, 5 minus 3, so we will get here 2m cube. Here 2m square is as it is, plus 3m minus 6 plus root 2 is as it is. So next question is that of the subtraction. So you have to subtract the second polynomial from the first. So you have to subtract the second polynomial from the first. So you have to write down the first polynomial as it is, minus you have to write down the second term putting the bracket. Now we have to write down the first bracket as it is. Since there is a minus sign, all the sign of the all terms get changed. So minus minus become plus. Here minus plus become minus, and minus plus minus. Now again here root 3 minus root 3 is cancelled with this plus root 3. So x square and x square. So these terms are similar. So minus 7 and plus 1 will get here minus 6x square, and minus 9 and plus 19. So we'll get here plus 10x. So this is the answer. Now we take the question number 4, that is multiply the given polynomial. So here are the two polynomials, 2x and x square minus 2x minus 1. So just put down the bracket for the second or first also. Now we have to multiply the each term of this bracket by this 2x. So 2x square into x, 2x into x square will get 2x cube. Again the product of these two is minus 4x square minus 2x. This is the answer. Now the two brackets, so I have to take the product of these two brackets. So x raised to 5 minus 1 and the second bracket. So first we have to multiply the first member. So we have to multiply all these elements or all these terms by the first number, and after that the same bracket by the second number. So we start with the x raised to 5. So x raised to 5 into x cube. So in the chapter indices in 8th standard you learn, if the base are same you have to take the addition of these powers. So 5 plus 3 we get here 8. After that 2 is as it is, and next one x raised to 5 and into x raised to 2. So we'll get here 5 plus 2, that is 7. Next 2x raised to 5. After that the product of these two, that is minus x cube. Next one minus 2x square and minus 2. So this is the answer. Now the question number 5. Divide the first polynomial by second and write the answer in the form of dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So see, we have to divide this first polynomial by the second one. So see the first polynomial, x cube minus 64. So there are two terms, there are missing terms. So we have to write down it in the first standard form. So x cube, after that the square term is missing, so we have to write down it with the 0x square. So since the product is 0, so there is no change in our example. Next one, there is no x term, so we have to write down with the 0x and minus 64. So there are these two missing terms, so we have to write down this one. Now we have to divide this quantity by x minus 4. So first we have to write down, that is x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64, and we have to divide it by the x minus 4. So I am going to tell you the simple method. So how to take the division. So first, the first number in this dividend is x cube. So first write down this x cube side in the margin, so x cube, and divide it by the first number of this one. So you have to take the first number of this part and first number of this part. So dividend and divisor. So write down x cube in the on the left side and it divided by the x. So x is cancelled with this x. So the remaining term is x square. So we have to write down it here. So now x square, we have to multiply this x square with this x minus 4. So x square into x will get here x cube minus, because here minus sign is there, so x square into 4, that is minus 4x square. Now since there is a subtraction, we have to change the sign. So this plus sign, we have to make a circle with it, and we don't take this sign here, and instead of plus we have to take the opposite sign of this plus, that is minus. अभी इस एग्जाम्पल में हमें ये प्लस साइन नहीं लेना है, प्लस उसके बजाय हम माइनस साइन लेंगे. यहाँ पे माइनस है, इसका अपोजिट साइन हम लेते हैं, दैट इज प्लस. इन सब्सट्रैक्शन यू हैव टू चेंज द साइन ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. So this x cube is cancelled with this minus x cube, and 0x square plus 4x square, here we will get 4x square. Now this sign, this plus sign, we have to write down here. Again the first member, that is, you have to write down the next term, that is 0x here. Again we have to write down this first term 4x square on the left side here, 4x square, and we have to divide it by this first term, that is x. So x is cancelled with this x, the remaining term is 4x. So we have to write down 4x here, and again we have to multiply this total bracket by this 4x. So 4x into x will get here plus 4x square. Again 4x into minus 4 will get here minus 16x. Again minus sign, we have to take the subtraction of these two, so we have to change the sign. This plus become minus and minus become plus. So these two terms will get cancelled, and 0 plus 16 will get here plus 16x, and the remaining term you have to write down here, that is minus 64. So again we have to write down this plus sign here, and we have to take this 16x on the left side. So 16x, and we have to divide it by the x, so it is x. So x get cancelled, so we'll get here 16. So we have to multiply this x minus 4 by this 16. So 16 into x will get 16x, and plus minus 16 4s are 64, and so by changing the sign it becomes minus, it becomes plus. This plus minus get cancelled, again minus plus get cancelled, so the remainder is 0. And now we have to write down the answer in this form, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the dividend is x cube minus 64, the example we have given. So the divisor is, that is x minus 4, then the quotient is x square plus 4x plus 16, and the remainder is 0. So similarly we have to solve the remaining one example from this question. And the last question from this exercise, that is, there is a word problem. So there is a rectangular form of length 2a square plus 3b square meter. So see here, I draw a figure of this rectangular form, and the length is 2a square plus 3b square, and the breadth is a square plus b square. So this breadth is a square plus b square. The farmer used a square shaped plot to form a the farmer used a square shaped plot of the farm to build a house. So out of this rectangular form, this square form shaped place, he used to build a house, and the side of the plot was, and since it is a square shape, all sides are same, and the side is a square minus b square. So what is the area of the remaining part? Remaining part means this part. So we have to find out the area of this remaining part. So for that we have to take the area of this rectangular shaped form, that is PQRS, and also we have to find out the area of this part, and then we have to take the subtraction of these two areas. So first, the area of the rectangular form PQRS. So you know the formula of a rectangle, area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So the length is 2a square plus 3b square into the breadth is a square plus b square. And now you have to take the product of these two brackets. So 2a square into a square will get 2a raised to 4. 2a square plus b square, so 2a square b square. Here we get 3a square b square, and 3b raised to 4. And so 2a raised to 4, 3 plus 2, that is 5a square b square, and plus 3b raised to 4 m square. So this is the area of this rectangular form PQRS. Now we have to find out the area of this square form. So square is ABCD, and you know the formula of area of the square, that is side square. Side is a square minus b square, bracket square. So we have to open this formula using the formula. So a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. Here which formula we use? So you already learned it in the 8th standard, that is a minus b bracket square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So using this formula we solve this bracket. So a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4 is the answer. Now we have to find out the area of the remaining part. So we have to take the subtraction of this one. So the larger one is PQRS. So area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. So we already find out the answer. So 2a raised to 4 plus 5a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 minus the area of ABCD. Put down the bracket. A raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. And now just open this bracket, so this term become minus, this is plus, and this one is minus. So underline the similar terms. So 2a raised to 4 and this a raised to 4 will get a raised to 4. This 5 and this 2. So 5 plus 2, 7a square b square and this plus 3 and minus 1, so we'll get here plus 2b raised to 4 meter square. So this is all about the exercise 3.2, and the remaining concept we'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.